Okay, we're looking at the fully rebuilt seat back for the Roadster, common to other 356 models. You can see this kit that we've made here. It's all sewn. The burlap has the cord, brand new. Obviously, everything's new. Replaced rings where necessary. New lumbar straps, bigger than the originals. They do a better job here, pushing everything forward. And you can see how it turned out perfectly, exactly as original. Now, the great advantage of this, of course, is that the comfort of the seat. You get the right look of the seat, which is important. And you know, this is the type of specialist knowledge that is critical and separates us from your regular upholstery shop. Say they had these pieces missing, or this was ripped the way it was. I mean, you know, we mass produce these and stock these, but scratch building one from hand is very difficult. You have to have the patterns precisely. This pocket has to be sewn so that this length is right. There's lots of factors. So if someone was to build this kit by hand, it would be very expensive. That's if they even know that it's missing, which is another problem. Through the years, these things get missed and the details get lost. So again, the advantage of our specialist knowledge here at Heritage, and we get great results. The next step, of course, is to mount the foam. This is our molded urethane foam. This one's a bit soiled from our recent move, but you can see still very functioning. Beautifully molded to replace the original horsehair type material. It's actually not horsehair, it's fibrous material, but this is a much better product. This is 25-year life foam, very comfortable, long lasting, doesn't disintegrate in the sun the way that the old stuff does. Same for the rear cushion here. This is the common to the Speedster and other models, coupes and so on. And you can see how we mold the burlap into the foam here so that it has strength and doesn't break through the springs. Here's the cushion foam, the same. And again, the burlap, so it doesn't break through the springs. And with those foams, we get great results, as you can see, and you will see as we continue through these videos and watch this seat through its development to the finish. And again, this is very, very nice and comfortable foam, and we can get the exact look of the seat with the pleats and so on. So we're making good progress, and we'll catch up with the next episode.